Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, and if your radio guys does not work, we'll show you which fuse you need to check. That's a very common reason why a radio will not work on Mazda CX-7. That same fuse guys is used for something else as well, and we'll explain what it is. That's why it's a common thing to burn sometimes. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see any certain repairs. So let's start on it now. So we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7, but it should be the same for the whole generation. Let me go inside now. Okay, and I'm going to show you quick now guys. Okay, I will have the ignition on. Okay, it's going to say hello there. I'll click the button. Nothing guys. Nothing. So, how we fix that? We turn the ignition off. Okay, and now, right here, next to the steering wheel, there is one fuse box, a little bitty fuse box. You open that fuse box and you need to find guys the fuse. Okay, the fuse on the very last row. This 15 amp fuse, which is the second fuse. 1, 2. So second fuse right here guys. Go ahead, pull it out. Okay, this is actually guys, okay, I'm going to explain in just a second. Okay, this is a burn fuse. This fuse is actually for the interior lights as well. Okay, for the interior lights. That's why it's a common problem for those, and sometimes they burn. If you need to buy replacement fuses, check out in the description of the video below. We'll have a link to the whole set guys for a very good price. You won't believe how cheap those things are. I'll go ahead, replace it now. Okay, make sure it's make sure that it's going all the way in. Okay, you need to push it all the way to the top and then in. Put the cover on. And now let's see our lights work. Let's see if our radio will work. It says hello. And let's turn it on. Yep, radio works fine guys. Okay, now we don't memorize any stations, so we'll need to go ahead now and find our stations, but radio does work. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.